In this video, I will guide you on how to change content on TikTok feed. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now, the first thing you want to do on the For You page is you simply want to find the videos that you're not interested in. Once you have found it, tap and hold on it. Now, you should be able to find the option of not interested. Go ahead and tap on that. This tells TikTok that you do not want to see similar content, and over time, you'll receive fewer videos like that. Next, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Here scroll down and find free up space, tap on that. Next to cache, you want to tap on clear, then tap on clear again. Now head back. Here find the option of content preferences, then find the option of refresh your For You feed, tap on that. Now tap on start again. Then select the reason why you want to refresh your feed, then tap on submit. Now wait for some time until the refresh has been completed. Next, you want to head back. Now tap on the search bar at the top right corner of your screen. Here you want to search for the content that you're interested in. This tells TikTok what videos or what content you're interested in. In this way, you can change the content on your TikTok For You feed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.